Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge Track Up. So today we are going to solve one very important and tricky trigonometry question. So it is basically like high school student, they are struggling to solve this. So the challenge question and Olympiad related. So let us see the problem and solve it together. So now the question is like this. Okay, if sine theta plus cos theta which is equal to 1 over 2, if sine theta plus cos theta which is equal to 1 over 2, find the value of sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. So now if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to half, find the value of sine cube theta and cos cube theta. So for this question, basically we need to know the basic formulas of trigonometry, and we use algebra as well. So we use the algebra as well. So let us see the solution and let us work together. So I hope you also start working on that. So let me know your any other method you can follow to solve this problem in the comment, and if you like it, you can go ahead and like and subscribe the channel. So now let's track up. So now solution is like this. First we take let they have given sine theta plus cos theta which is equal to 1 over 2, sine theta plus cos theta which is equal to 1 over 2. Now what we have to do, we have to take the left hand side. Okay, I take the left hand side and square it. Okay, so to get the desired result, sine theta plus cos theta whole square. First step I do sine theta plus cos theta whole square by taking left part. So when you do the squaring, so you have to recall the identity. So at the right side I will list some identities, so I'm going to use it. So I hope you also aware of this. So a plus b whole cube whole square. So in this a plus b whole square, so the formula you have to expand, as you know that, right? So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is the identity. So I'm going to apply here, right? So now when you apply the same thing, so a you can consider like a as sine theta and b as cos theta, right? So now I'll consider a as sine theta and b as cos theta. So this is we follow the step 1. So under the step 1 we do follow applying the identity. So sine theta plus cos theta whole square, that is we just you replace a and b with sine theta and cos theta. So I'm going to apply it now. So a square means sine square theta and b square means cos square theta plus 2ab. So 2 into sine theta times cos theta. So this is how we have to come up with by applying the right identity. So after coming to that, I'm going to list the second formula I'm going to apply here is sine square theta plus cos square theta which is equal to 1. So this is the another identity, so we use in the trigonometry. So this identity I'm going to replace this with 1. So we are very well known. And sine theta and cos theta you can see at the top. So this is equal to 1 over 2. So I'm going to replace sine theta and cos theta with 1 over 2 whole square. The square is at the top, and in between we have the equal sign, then followed by 2 plus 2 sine theta times cos theta. So I hope this step is clear to everyone, right? So sine theta plus cos theta, I'm going to replace this here 1 over 2, and sine square theta cos square theta is an identity which is right here, it is 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta as usual. Now 1 by 2 whole square, so 1 by 2 whole square means 1 over 2 repeat twice, so 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, that is 1 over 4, right? So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Then I will transpose this term, so I write here 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta. So after writing that, I am going to take like negative 1 on both the sides, so that I can like do some kind of mathematical operation. This is positive 1, so plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, right? So I'm transposing the term. So the next step will be very clear. So 1 over 4 minus 1, which is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So 1 by 4 minus 1. So now when you take the least common multiple, so we can cross multiply here. So we get 1 minus 4. So cross multiply, when you do the cross multiplication, 1 times 4 is 4 and this is 1. So we get 4 here. So 4 ones are 4, 1 minus 4, which is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. I hope this step is clear. The next step will be very interesting. So here we apply the laws of integers. So here when you have the unlike sign, so plus 1 and minus 4, so unlike sign we have, so you have to subtract. So when you take away 1 from 4, we get 3. Then we have to write the greater number sign. So between 1 and 4, the greater number is 4 and it is having negative, so I have to write negative before 3. Then in the denominator we have to write 4, so minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 2 sine theta and cos theta. So the next step is very well clear. So I'm going to take this 2 to the other side of the equation. So it will be like this. So I'm going to write it here. So minus 3 by, like 4 times 2, so you have to cross multiply here. 4 times 2 is 8, so minus 3 by 8, which is equal to sine theta and cos theta. So this is the identity, like we got this part. So sine theta and cos theta is minus 3 by 8, and similarly you have to keep it in mind, sine theta plus cos theta is 1 over 2. So the next step is very interesting, that is the step 2. So I'm going to bifurcate here. So which formula I am going to use right now, any idea? So step 2, so you can leave the comment in the comment section. So step 2, I'm going to use the formula you are very much familiar, the algebra formula. So cubic equation, a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube, I am going to use it, right? So here that is a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube, then plus 3ab, then times a plus b. So this is the identity, I'm going to use it. So now here this identity I have to write here to make you understand better. So the same equation, the formula I am writing, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then times a plus b. So now the next step is very clear and evident. So what I do here, I will retain a cube plus b cube on the same place. Then I will take a plus b whole cube as it is, and I'm going to transpose plus 3ab times a plus b to the left side. So we have to take negative 3ab plus times a plus b on both the sides. So we get negative 3ab times a plus b on the left hand side, and this term will get cancelled with the positive and negative sign, so we left over with a cube plus b cube, right? This is very interesting step. So just I retained this part and I have shifted the whole term to the other side you can see here. So this is what here. So I'll rewrite this a cube plus b cube. Okay, we'll just interchange the terms, right to left, left to right. Then a plus b whole cube, then minus we have 3ab times a plus b. So I hope till here it is clear. So the next step, what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace a and b with you can see here a with sine theta and b with cos theta. So I'm going to replace, so it is obviously sine cube theta, then cos cube theta, right? So I hope everyone is able to follow and understand my accent. Yes, so now sine cube theta plus cos cube theta, which is equal to a plus b whole cube, that is sine theta plus cos theta whole cube, then minus 3 times ab, that is sine theta cos theta, then we have a plus b, that is sine theta plus cos theta. So I hope this step is clear to you. So in this step you can see the check mark, the identity I have like reshuffled, and I am replacing a and b with sine theta and cos theta, and as per the same identity formula, so I'm just replacing a with sine theta and b with cos theta, so we get the equation like this. Now the next step is very clear. So sine cube theta plus cos cube theta is equal to sine theta and cos theta. So sine theta and cos theta is given in the question. Sine theta plus cos theta is nothing but 1 over 2. So I'm going to write 1 over 2 whole cube. Just I am replacing sine theta plus cos theta with 1 over 2. Then 1 by 2 whole cube, then minus, then 3 sine theta cos theta. So sine theta cos theta 3 I wrote as it is. Sine theta cos theta already we have the values here. Okay, so this one you can call this as equation number 1 in the beginning, and this is 2. So now I'm going to take the second equation, that is sine theta cos theta is nothing but the value minus 3 by 8. So after writing 3, then start the parenthesis of the bracket, so minus 3 by 8, then one more parenthesis of the bracket you have to start. It is for sine theta and cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta, sine theta plus cos theta, it is in the equation number 1, so that is 1 over 2. So I am going to replace the values, right? Sine theta plus cos theta is 1 over 2, and similarly sine theta cos theta is nothing but minus 3 by 8. Now the time is to simplify. So 1 over 2 whole cube, that means 1 over 2 will repeat thrice. So 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So it will be, in the numerator we have 1 time 1 time 1, that is 1 itself, and in the denominator we have 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. So 1 over 2 whole cube is nothing but 1 by 8, right? So now the next step is very clear. Minus times minus, minus or negative times, the parentheses indicate times, so negative times negative is positive, right? Then I do multiply all the numerators. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9, I write. Then in the denominator 1 times 8 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So I got the answer here 9 by 16. So now we get the different denominators, right? So we have to equate the denominator. So how do we equate the denominator? By taking the least common multiple, or by using our by seeing it, so we can make out how to get common number in the denominator. So here 16 is here and 8 is here. So how do you make 8 as 16? By multiplying numerator and denominator with 2. So why do you multiply both in numerator and denominator with 2 only? Because the value does not change. So if I add only 2 in the denominator, we get 16, but the expression will not be the same, it will be different. So in mathematics you have to use, so whatever the number you multiply, the same number you have to divide to get the original number. So now I multiplied 2 with 8 and 2 with 1. So what do I get now here, which is equal to 1 2s are 2, then over 8 2s are 16 plus 9 by 16. So now we can see the common denominator. So the common denominator is 16. So let us write 16. So when you have the common denominator, we write the same number. When you have the different denominator, we take least common multiple. Now in the numerator, we have the number 2 plus 9. So plus 2 and plus 9. So we add the numerator. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So 11 by 16. So we get the answer 11 by 16 is the solution for the given question. Okay, so I hope everyone is able to follow this. Just we do the quick review. So the given question is, if sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 over 2, so find the value of sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. So we need to find the value of this. The value we ended up with 11 by 16. So how do we arrive with that answer? Let us see. So let us assume, we take a as sine theta and b as cos theta. So let us assume, or sine theta will be taken as a and cos theta taken as b. So solution, in the first step, what I do take sine theta plus cos theta, which is equal to half. So after taking this, then I take the left side, sine theta plus cos theta, I do square it. So when you do the squaring, so I am going to relate this with the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I am replace a and b with sine theta and cos theta. The same is done here. So a plus b whole square, that is sine theta plus cos theta whole square, which is equal to a square, that is sine square theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta, plus 2 AB. 2AB is nothing but 2 times sine theta cos theta. So just we have to apply this identity and replace A and B with sine theta and cos theta. After doing that, so now in the question they have given sine theta plus cos theta is nothing but 1 over 2, right? So it is given in the question itself. So replace that with the value 1 over 2 whole square, which is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. So this is the identity in trigonometry. So we do use that. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I wrote here, then plus 2 sine theta cos theta. So now just we have to group the numbers. So here get rid of this positive one on the right hand side. So I took negative 1 on both the sides. So plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. The leftover is 1 over 4 minus 1. So 1 over 4 minus 1 we do left. So now when you take the LCM, so we end up with 1 minus 4 by 4. So when you cross multiply, 1 minus 4 by 4, which is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So plus 1 minus 4. So the integers operation. So when you have the unlike sign, you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So that is plus 1 minus 4 is we have to subtract, that is 4 minus 1 is 3, and greater number is 4, and negative, that negative is here. So minus 3 over 4, which is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Now the next step is cross multiplication. So I multiply 4 and 2, so that I get the expression or the equation sine theta cos theta, which is equal to minus 3 over 8. So 4 times 2 is 8, that is minus 3 by 8. This one you can call this as equation 2. So equation 1 and this is equation 2. So after knowing this, let's move on to the step 2. Here we use the another identity using the algebra. So a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So I'll rearrange this equation as per the what they asked the question, that is a cube plus b cube. So here I rearrange how. So a plus b whole cube I retain as it is, and plus 3ab times a plus b I transpose to other side, that is negative 3ab plus a plus b, which is equal to equal sign a cube plus b cube. So what I did, so I'll interchange the terms, left side as right side and right side as left side, so that it is easy for me to show up the given sum. So a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. So now a is, as I told earlier, so a is replaced with sine theta and b is replaced with cos theta. So sine cube theta plus cos cube theta, so replace it just a for a and b, which is equal to sine theta plus cos theta whole cube, then minus 3ab, that is 3 times sine theta cos theta, and times sine theta plus cos theta. So just we have to replace the letters with the sine theta and cos theta. So now as you know that we have to find sine cube theta plus cos cube theta, which is equal to sine theta plus cos theta. It is given in the question itself, equation number 1. So it is nothing but 1 over 2, right? So I am replacing sine theta plus cos theta as 1 over 2 whole cube, then minus 3 sine theta cos theta. Sine theta cos theta in equation number 2 we got minus 3 by 8. So I am going to replace minus 3 by 8 here, and one more bracket or parenthesis will start, that is sine theta plus cos theta. So that is sine theta plus cos theta again, equation number 1, that is 1 over 2. So we got the numbers here. So let us simplify. 1 over 2 whole cube is nothing but 1 over 8, right? So 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 1 by 2, so it is 1 over 8. Then minus times minus, or negative times negative is positive, and multiply the numerator and write 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9. Multiply the denominator, 1 times 8 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, so 9 by 16. So now we have the different number in the denominator, that is 8 and 16, so we have to make the denominator common. So how do you make denominator common? Either by taking LCM, least common multiple, or we can do like just multiply 2 and divide by 2, multiply numerator and denominator with 2, so that the value does not change, and we get 16 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator, that is 2 by 16. 8 2s are 16 and 1 2s are 2, so 2 by 16 plus 9 by 16. So okay, you can see here common number in the denominator. So now when you have the common number in the denominator, we retain the same number in the denominator. If you have unlike numbers, we have to take the least common multiple. So here the same number, so I wrote 16 as it is, and add the numerator, that is 2 plus 9. So 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 by 16 is the answer for what? So answer for sine cube theta and plus cos cube theta. Sine cube theta plus cos cube theta, we get the value 11 by 16. I hope you all understood the explanation and the writing part. So if you have any doubt or any comment, or if you would like to know any other problem can be solved, so I am happy to help you people, happy to help the students. So I appreciate if you like and subscribe my channel, knowledge stack up. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you.